Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So I got another video for you. I was contacted by the dash cam company that sent me a dash cam. They wanted me to review it and give you my honest opinion. So I'm gonna take a look at it, install it, and I'll tell you guys what I think about it. All right guys, a lot of you guys who watch my channel have not subscribed. Boop, 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 boop. Hit the subscribe button down below, put the notification bell on so you don't miss any of my video. Without further ado, let's custom it. Let's go. Okay guys, so this is the camera they sent me. This is Arpha, A-R-P-H-A. all right, so it's a nice little sleek camera. It's a little long, but here it is. So this camera is able to do 5K/4K, but the rear only does 1080p. So if you have just the front, you can do 5K video, or if you're doing dual camera, you gotta do 4K plus 1080. You can't do 5K and 1080. But anyway, here it is. It has this this is the stuff I just talked about. This is basically to help you if you're going too fast, to help you with a bunch of, you know, ADS stuff, like driving ability stuff. Also have 5G Wi-Fi. It has built-in GPS and also voice control. Let me show you the camera itself. So this is the camera itself, guys. See, it's a little long, so let me see if I put it against my hand. So see, it's fairly long, but anyway, here it is. Nice looking camera. It has a good weight to it, not too heavy. There you go. You have a button here. This is the button for, you know, probably to pause, and the button for recording video or pause. Here it is. Nice and sleek, guys, and it comes with a 64 gig memory card already included. The USB-C/Thunderbolt goes right in here. It is only one cable that goes into this camera, and it piggybacks on another dongle that goes to the other rear camera. So here it is. That's what the camera was in. Let me show you the stuff that was in the box. I'll put a couple pictures so you guys see the other stuff that was in the box. I forgot to show it to you. So all right guys, I wanted to just show you real quick what was in the box. Hold on, let me find it. So here's that was in the box. I'm sorry I didn't show it to you. I lost the video of showing it to you. So you got the front camera, you got the rear camera, you got those little electronic static, you have the car charger, the Type-C USB power adapter, the card, and a couple of cable tie, and the manual. That's basically what was in there. And let me show you. I don't know if you guys can see, the model number is B25, aperture is 1.75, the language is English, Dutch, French, and Italian. Memory goes up to 256. Has Bluetooth, MP3 format. So here's the stuff I was talking about. So if you do the front and rear, you can do 4K and 1080p for the rear, or 2K front, 1080p rear, or 1080p both. But you can only do 5K only with one single camera. Has GPS built in and need 5 volt. That's about it, guys. All right, let's go and start the installation. This long USB-C cable is for the rear camera. I'm gonna show it to you guys in a little bit. It's a small camera and it does 1080p. These are the little mounting 3M tape. It comes in the box. There's one extra one for the rear, and there's also one extra one for the front. This is the USB-C 12 volt adapter. These are little cable management tie, and also come with the trim removal tool, the small one. These are little mounting strip. There's 2 extra, one for the front, one for the rear. Also in the book, you use this QR code to download the app. First thing we gotta do, guys, we gotta pop this little clip off. There is a 10mm over there. We're gonna go and take it off. All right, so now let's pull this trim out, the A-pillar. You can just pull it. It should come out fairly easy. So guys, what we're doing, we're just installing the cable. Okay, we're gonna have to zip tie the cable so we stay away from the airbag. We don't want anything to be in the way of the airbag, just in case, for safety reason. All right guys, let me go get a couple zip tie and then we're gonna zip tie them. So guys, before we zip tie the cable on this side, we're gonna take this off, which is the weather strip, and then we're gonna take this cover off here too. We might take the bottom one off, I don't know yet, but definitely we're gonna pop this thing off. So we're gonna take this cover off too, the bottom cover. Yeah, pull this down first. This is all clipped, so it should come down fairly easy. Okay, now try to pop this. Pop this thing off too. I think you can pop this thing off. All right, you see any screws anywhere now? No. All right, there we go. So that's what it was. Jeez. All right, guys, we're trying to take this thing out, but it's just giving us trouble to come out. It doesn't want to come out. So we're just gonna slide the cable straight down from the top. All right, guys, I got everything zip tied so far, so I'm gonna do a couple more zip tie down here on that corner there. All right, so now, guys, we're gonna finish routing the cable over here behind the airbag, and then we're gonna try to install the camera. Let's go. So all our cable are zip tied, guys, as you can see, going straight down behind the airbag, and then it goes down here to the kick panel and all the way under the steering wheel, and this is it right here. Okay, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna put it right here in the cigarette lighter, so we're not gonna do what you may call it, hot wire kit. Okay, all right, guys, so now we're just basically doing a little bit of cleaning to put that little anti-static little plastic that comes with it, and then we're gonna put the camera on. All right, guys, so to download the app, you just scan the QR code, and then we go to the App Store. All right, it's downloading. Open it. Allow Bluetooth. Allow. Now that the app is connected, now we're just gonna connect the camera just so we can test it. All right, camera turns on.
Recording started.
Okay,
Wi-Fi is on.
Okay, trying to search for it. All right, so we found the camera. Looks like, there you go.
Current video locked.
All right, camera's talking to us.
Regular formatting reminder.
All right, guys, so the camera is turning on. We need another minute. All right, guys, I don't know if you can see, finally we got a video that is showing on the camera. We're still trying to figure everything out. So the issue is, to get this video to show up, you have to make sure your data is off on your phone so you can view the camera. I don't personally like it, but keep that in mind, guys. Video quality is pretty good so far. I'm gonna see if I can get you some footage from it, but so far it looks good. All right, guys, so what we have to do, we have to go to the setting of the phone and then change the cellular data. So you go to cellular and then you put the option off. Okay, and then you go back to the app, and it takes a bit. Hold on, we gotta make sure it's connected again and reconnect to it. Okay, so now let me show you guys real quick. As you can see, it does move.
Emergency video.
So there you go. So it's working, guys. So that's what you guys gotta do. So keep that in mind. So far the quality looks pretty good. We just got to remember to do that so you can view. So if you do not change the setting, you won't be able to see anything on the video. All right, so guys, when you connected the camera, it comes with this dual adapter that comes for one connection for the back. This is for the front. So this angle one goes to the camera, and this goes to the actual one coming from the car itself. All right, this is the rear camera long cable, and it has this connection right here. So here it is, guys. So we're gonna basically go, let me show you the front. There you go. So we're gonna basically go in and attach it to the rear of the car, and then we're gonna run the cable all the way to the front. Let's do that right now. Let's go. So we're just running the cable from the front all the way to the back, that big cable. So we're just cleaning the window to be ready. Yeah, just at the edge of the window.
Like that.
Yep. Yep. If I can see it or not. So we're gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna tell you if it's straight, and then once we agree,
Push it.
push it. So just hold it there, okay? No. Okay. Is it straight on the camera? Can you see?
Yeah.
Okay, it's straight on my end too.
Agree?
Yep. Yeah, looks good to me. Yeah, looks good to me.
Yep.
Okay, perfect.
All right.
Perfect. All right, guys, camera done. We're just gonna basically put this back in and do the same thing for the front. All right. Next. Yeah, definitely not straight. Yeah, looks good. Can you move it like this? No, the other way. Yeah. All right, guys, so here it is. We put the camera on. Everything looks good. There's only one cable that go to the camera. The backup camera get connected on the top here. There is a connector that comes with it. You just use the connector and that's it. So all we have to do is just literally put this panel back and fix that cable, and then we are done, guys. So guys, it's not easy to put this thing back, but you just gotta play around with it and then get it to sit. There we go. Now it's in. All right, guys, now we gotta put in that 8 mil. All right, there put the little cover on. Boom, done. Fix the weather stripping. Now so guys, this is where I ran my cable. I'm gonna fix that a little better. I'm gonna leave it here for now. It fits perfectly well. And then it comes around. Boom, there we go. All right guys, very nice. So we're gonna leave it here for now until I figure out how else to put it. So I want the cable to come through here, but that's for another day. For now, I think I like it that way. So one more time guys, as you can see, camera looks good. Blue is recording. All right, it's perfect. And this is the rear. You see the green to show that it's recording. All right, that's it guys. All right guys, the camera, the Arpha I think, the Arpha, A-R-P-H-A, the camera is all installed, and so far pictures is good. We'll get you a couple of footage and add it to the video. But anyway, like and subscribe, tell me what you think guys, and everything is going to be in the description down below. I mean, that's it guys, until the next time, peace.